Hello and welcome back to your YouTube channel CDC Cricket Dream County. And here we are back again, me and Aryan, in a new video this time. And today our topic is IPL. So we're gonna talk about IPL, like when will it start, what are the precautions to be taken, and where will it happen. So Aryan, you are going to give me answers now. So I have three questions to ask, and many people want the answers also. Like when will the IPL start? This is my first question.
So when you talk about when will the IPL start, before that I would tell you, Rohan, that the fixtures aren't been called. Like there aren't been any fixtures, the dates haven't been fixed. So you can't tell that this is the time when IPL starts, this is the time when IPL can happen. So now I'll be telling you as you told. So let me tell you guys, the before we had like the symptoms which are really bad, which was that there won't be any IPL. But now there are like some good symptoms that there will be IPL, because that's the told by the BCCI president Saurabh Ganguly. He told like there will be IPL happening. We'll try our level best. And the broadcast, the many people have been informed that there will be IPL. So I don't think so. There are like less possibilities for the IPL to happen. But let me tell you before that, if there's some T20 World Cup, there won't be any IPL. So this was what I had to tell you, Rohan. So this was my first question, which was the first question asked from you. I answered it. Let me go with the second one. What is the second one?
So my second question to you is, what are the precautions to be taken for the IPL?
Now when you tell about the precautions to be taken, let me tell you that there are some briefly explanation. I mean, when you talk about IPL, like many precautions will be taken, and now as audience we'll be knowing like how will the precautions be. So let me tell you, like the series which have been called off, like Sri Lanka versus India, Zimbabwe versus India, but there are some series which haven't been called off, like West Indies versus England. So those series might be a brief explanation for us, but there are like something different for the IPL to happen. So let me tell you that if there's IPL, obviously many people are trying for the IPL to happen. So let me tell you the precautions. First precaution is that there won't be any crowd. Anyway, that's the common one. Second one, no saliva. That's also like briefly explained. And the third one is that the local umpires can't be called off. Like they can come, and then there might be like partiality, but there's a different question. So the third thing is that when the IPL happens, like there are some factors. I mean, the temperatures of the players will be checked regularly. So this was my precautions which have been taken of IPL. So this was my second question. Let Rohan ask me the third question.
So the third question to you is, where will it happen? If IPL happens, like where will it happen? What is the exact places for it to happen? I've heard many proposals have come from many more countries. Let's hear what Aryan has to say.
So let me short question, Rohan, or short answer, Rohan. First thing, let me tell you about the windows. So let me briefly explain you. First thing is that July and August there won't be any Indian cricket, like Indian players playing is not happening, because Sri Lanka versus India, Zimbabwe versus India, many more tours of India have been called off. So you can't expect Indian people playing. And then the second thing is that, what was the question, Rohan? I forgot.
The third question from you is like, where will the IPL happen? Like what are the dates for it to happen?
The dates haven't been fixed, Ron, as I told earlier. Now tell where is the IPL going to happen. Now when you tell about where is the IPL going to happen, I will tell you that there are some proposals, as you told. What are the proposals? Sri Lanka has given the proposal. New Zealand has not given the proposal, but the BCCI can approach, because New Zealand is a COVID-free country. And the third, like UAE has also given UAE has approached to the BCCI, saying that we have conducted many IPL, like not IPL, like many T20 leagues. So I think the most probable place where IPL is going to happen is where Indian. I think what they can do is they can take a state. I mean, they can pick a state where there are like less amount of COVID patients, and they can book all the hotels there, and there will be less traveling. You can play all around the state, like many stadiums, like 2-3 stadiums will be there. Best thing. So
thank you, Aryan. You have answered all the three questions. So this was a video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
thank you guys. Please like, subscribe and share. This is a new video we want subscribers. Thank you.